Good morning, lovely ladies. Today, I would like to share with you about how you can procure this beautiful golden South Sea pearl strand and this earring and this ring. If you're here in the U.S., you can buy this quality of golden South Sea pearl to the range of 30,000 to 50,000 US dollars. But I'm going to tell you a tip or technique on how you can get this for a fraction of the cost. This one, I got this lower than what most people can buy. But I would say that the last time that somebody tried to buy this person from my vendor, she got this for $4,250, something like that. And that's not that includes the earrings and this lovely pearl strand. This is a 20 inches pearl strand, and the grade is AAA to quadruple A. It has a 14 karat gold lock there, and when you buy, they have a different lock that they use, the S design, but I would like this kind of lock. Actually, my vendor, my supplier, he recommended this one for me. But in order for you to get the lock replaced, you have to spend 7,500 pesos more, which is about 1,000. Oh no, sorry, which is about $110, $115. It depends on the exchange rate. So this one is almost perfect, and it doesn't have any fish bite, the one that I got. And you see the luster and the size of this pearl is between 12 to 14.8 millimeter. So this is 14.8 millimeter, and the smallest one is 12 millimeter. And this is the graduated style. So what is it? It is from smallest to biggest at the very center of the strand. And it comes with a certificate of authenticity that it is an authentic South Sea pearl, and that it got harvested from Pintada Maxima, which is the sole source of this gorgeous pearl. Okay, so how are you gonna get this? How are you gonna get this at this price? You know, when I first I've been wanting to buy this pearl for a long time, this pearl strand for a long time, because in the Philippines we have a very luxurious jewelry store, which is Jewelmer. If you Google it up, you know, the celebrities, you know, the Miss Universe pageant would sometimes get their, get their pearl for the candidate for the Miss Universe, the reigning Miss Universe, and in for the Miss Universe Philippines pageant, they sponsor it. Even the crown, they sponsor it. So I don't know if they really sponsored it, or they were commissioned to make the crown. Anyway, so it's really very expensive to buy this from them. It's like uh what, $40,000, 2 million pesos, and that $40,000. That's only for this pearl. But if you go to Instagram, you will see some online store, Philippine pearl store that's doing live selling. So you just have to to observe first those vendors when they do live selling, see how people buy, if people would ask for discount. Usually people would ask for discount when you buy something from the Philippines, and for me it is not, I had a budget, so I actually did not ask for a discount, except when she recommended this lock for me, because I think my budget was short of 2,000 pesos, or 1,000 pesos at the time. So I said I just want to lock it in. So that's so I observed in Instagram. I look online, I googled it, and sometimes also these vendors, they would post pictures of those people who bought from them. Sometimes you would find celebrities, sometimes politicians buying from them, and I would suggest that you really do your own due diligence before you buy anything, because mostly when you buy from online, this the best golden South Sea pearls that you can get is from the Philippines. This is the national jewelry or gem of the Philippines. So they have the best pearl, I would say. So when you buy, you have to really be careful, because normally there's no return, no exchange policy. So you have to make sure that you really like it, as your supplier to take a photo of each of the pearl strand, or each pearl stud, and ask the vendor about the luster, about the size, if there's any fish bite. They call it fish bite, but actually it's not really a fish bite. It's an imperfection. If there's any scratches, it's very important to ask that, to avoid misunderstanding between you and the vendor. Because I can understand when they say no return, no exchange. Some of my jewelries, or my bag, my purses, I plan to sell them someday, and my concern is that people would buy, they would wear it, and then they would return it, or maybe when they return it, it's a different item. So for me too, I wouldn't want to accept a return. Initially I felt, if I wanted to buy, because I'm here in the U.S. and they are in the Philippines, then I have to hire a gemologist to grade the pearl and to authenticate the pearl. But it's really very hard, because this kind of quality, you cannot find this every day, because as you know, these pearls, these are either cultured on the ocean, And sometimes, there are pearl divers who just get it from under the sea, from the oyster. But actually, it's this quality. It's hard to get it, and it's hard to find a vendor that you can trust. So it's $4,000 when you buy $4,000. It's a huge money, So I would say do your due diligence. Make sure that your vendor is registered with the Department of Trade and Industry, which is DTI, registered with the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the BIR, which is equivalent to IRS here in the U.S. So they initially they would show you the pearl in this box, okay, in this box. Okay, they would show you a video, and they would tell you the quality. Is it AAA, quadruple A, double A? For me, I really wanted the best, so I would not settle for less than triple A to quadruple A, because I feel that I'm investing my money in my pearls, and someday I would like to be able to sell them when I have a financial need. So I want to buy the best so I can sell it at an amount with an extra return. It would give me a good return. Let's say if it's selling for $30,000, if selling for $30,000, I can sell it for like $15,000, or I can sell it for $7,000. That's why I want the best. Okay, and then so after they've shown you the quality of the pearls, they've shown you the video, then you would have to agree if you want it, because they will not, and they will not drill this or put a hole on the pearl unless you agreed and you have paid. Because if once the pearl, but they have drilled it and they put a hole in it, the value of the pearl would go down. Nobody would want to buy a pearl that had been drilled previously, So you have to agree on the price, on the quality, on the luster, on the size, on the lock. If it's 14K or 18K, this is 14K, and it's really beautiful. So after you pay it, you send the money, you wire the money, you remit the money, or you Venmo the money to them. Then they will start preparing, drilling your pearl, and then stringing it, and then of course they would order this lock, and then it would take maybe like 2 to 3 days to make this lock. So it would take like 3 days for them to create this pearl strand. And what I would suggest regarding this earring, okay, I have a very soft ear, so so when I wear my earring, I put a band-aid on the back of my ear, and then before I put on my my earring, I do that so it would be it would not be dangling. It would be up like this. So just a tip for you. When you're taking off your pearl or putting it on, you see this base right here, this gold base right here, this one. You have to hold it like that, okay? You have to put your thumb on it, because this part right here, they glued it. But if you keep pulling it without holding that gold right there, it would come up, and you know, it's you need the expertise of the one who's really into pearl to achieve the quality or the so you can use it for a long time. And it's expensive to do it locally here in the US. So what I would suggest, you hold it like that and then put it on like that, and then put in your the backing. You see the backing, this backing right here, it should be big enough, because if it is small and you have this size is like 14 millimeter, what would happen is it would dangle down, and it would with this and then it would, you know, make your ear hole bigger. So just hold it right there. As I said, if you can put a piece of band-aid, cut a piece of band-aid right there, and then put on your earring. Before you put on your earring, then it would help in keeping it up, or you know, it would help from it dangling or pulling the skin or your ear down, or making your the hole of your ear bigger. So it's like that. Okay, so by the way, this for if they know you are foreigner, some vendors would try to sell this to you for $7,000. But as I said, I got this set for $4,000. $4,000. Well, I would say you just do your due diligence. The best pearl or the source of the pearl, this South Sea pearl, golden South Sea pearl, is in Palawan, which is a very far place in the Philippines. And aside from the price of the this set, it not including the ring, okay, you have to pay for the shipping. If they're shipping it from Palawan to here in San Francisco, where I am at, the shipping would cost like $70-$80, and the shipping, they do it via air, it would only take less than a week. Okay, from my experience, it takes less than a week, so you don't really have to hold your breath for a long time. But it's really lovely. Okay, well, I hope you this video is helpful to you, and if you have any questions regarding buying golden South Sea pearl, I can make recommendation, but I would just make a disclaimer that I am not this is not a paid advertisement, and that I am not guaranteeing that you could get this quality of pearl at this price. So do your own due diligence, and good luck. Okay. Thank you, lovely ladies. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay lovely, stay blessed. God bless.